Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to disable 120Hz refresh rate on this device. Simply go to settings, then on the main page, here you can see the option accessibility. Select this one. Now tap on the option motion, tap on this one. Now scroll down, here you can see the option limit frame rate. Now this is disabled. Okay, so that means in this device the 120Hz refresh rate is enabled. If you enable this limit frame rate, you can see if you enable this one, this will set the maximum frame rate of display to 60 frames per second. So now the 120 display frame per second is disabled. So simply in this way we can disable 120 frames per second on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.